In today's video, we are unboxing and taking a first look at the Titanium Jetblack Galaxy S25 Ultra from Samsung. This is a 512 gigabyte model. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed here. All right, we got two little pull tabs on each side. Makes it nice and easy this time. All right, sweet. All right, here on the front here, we're gonna have our usual stuff, I'm sure. I just ripped it out of there. We've got the charging cable and our SIM ejection tool here on the back. Nothing else in the box here other than the device itself. Let's go ahead and get this out. Again, this is a Titanium Jetblack model. We have a little screen protector here on the front. Let's go ahead and do the pill. All right, that looks really nice. So first impressions here. Hold on here. Let me grab the S24 Ultra here. All right, so the S25 Ultra feels a little bit lighter. Let's go ahead and put this on the scale real quick. All right, we're looking at 220 grams compared to 234 grams on the S24 Ultra. So a nice weight reduction. That's the first thing I noticed. The other thing that's very noticeable, and all of you that are upgrading will notice this right off the bat, is the sides feel completely different, and the device does feel completely different in hand. Truth be told, it feels a lot like the latest iPhone, just being honest here. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. I don't mind it. It feels really nice in the hand, but we do have the flat sides, the rounded corners here. You know, quite a different design language from the S24 Ultra where we have the rounded sides and the sharp edges here. So it does feel a lot different in the hand. All right, let's go ahead and take a quick tour of the device. On the left-hand side, we're just gonna have our antenna band. Up top, we have our speaker and microphone grill. On the right-hand side, we have our side key, which doubles as our power button, and our volume rockers. And on the bottom, we have our S Pen, speaker grill, USB-C connection, microphone, and SIM card tray. Let's just take a look at this real quick. This is jet black, so this is like the Bat phone here, the Wesley Snipes edition, just completely blacked out. I mean, look at this thing. Let me try to get it in some light here so you can really see it. There we go. I mean, it is a nice looking device. Definitely can't fault them on this color. That really looks nice. All right, and we can see that the camera array is quite a bit different on this year's model. I do kind of prefer the rings here on this particular color option that I have on the S24 Ultra, but I'm sure I'll get used to this, and they do blend in nicely with this black. You know, it really depends on how the light hits it. As you can see, it's kind of shape-shifting to a gray, and then when it's not in light, it totally looks black. So that's pretty awesome. All right, let me get all my stuff on here. I'll get my first impressions after I test out One UI 7 for just a little bit, and then we'll wrap up this quick unboxing video. All right, got it all set up with Samsung Smart Switch. It was really straightforward. It did take about an hour and 20 minutes or so. It was a pretty long time. But here's One UI 7. One thing I don't like right off the bat is the new battery indicator. You can see the percentages now inside of the icon. I can barely read that from here. I think it says 24%. Whereas you go over to One UI 6 here, you know, it's very obvious, 50%. So we can change out with good luck, I'm sure, not a big deal. But we have easy access to our new AI features. They're over here in the edge panels. You can just press and hold down on the bottom to get to your circle to search. So everything's as expected, as well as our new vertical app drawer. This is sweet. This takes me back to the days of TouchWiz. I really do appreciate that. So much easier than swiping side to side. But anyways, this is just my first impressions. All in all, I like it. You know, it does feel nice and sleek. It also does feel a lot like an iPhone, just keeping it real, at least in my personal experience here. We have some cases coming up for it, as well as some tips and tricks, all the usual videos. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below. Always appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.